integration by parts is the reverse of the product rule of differentiation. So let me just show how to get it very quickly since it's not hard. Now I integrate both sides. So the integration will just get rid of that since it's just doing the reverse. And now I just subtract one of these over to the other side. Generally it's written as f of x g prime of x, but it does not matter, and I will explain why it doesn't matter. Just the way the formula is used. You'll see that it doesn't make a difference if it's g of x f prime of x, or just doesn't matter. So anyways, when I subtract one of these over to the other side, I get this. So now how to use this formula. Let me use the example, let me say, about, I want to integrate x sine x. So what I need to do to use this formula is pick one of these things to be f of x and the other one to be g prime of x. That's the part that most people make the mistake. Someone might say, well, I'll make x is equal to f of x and then sine of x equal to g of x. But this is not how this works. It needs to be g prime of x. So that way when I substitute these into the formula, I've got the integral of x sine of x. But I still need to calculate what g of x is. So when I calculate the derivative of f of x, then I'm going to get is equal to 1. And then for this one, I'm going to need to integrate this one. So I do that. And g of x is equal to minus cosine x. So now I have everything I need to go ahead and do this problem. So all I do now is just take these different parts and substitute them in. So I'm looking for the integral of x sine of x. So I've got f of x, which is x, and then g prime of x, which is sine x. That's why it doesn't matter if it's the other way around, g of x, f prime of x, because you're still going to make the exact same substitution. So that's why it's unimportant. So now all I do is just fill in this formula. And then g of x minus cosine x. G of x, so this will end up being a plus when I distribute the cosine out. Sine, it's cosine, and then f prime of x is just 1. Oh yeah, I should probably put the dx over here. Oh, it doesn't matter anyways. So this will just stay the same, and then I integrate this and I'll get sine. So this is equal to minus x cosine x plus